To get PlayStation discount code, what you need to do is simply search the same on your Google search, and you will see there is a lot of website mentioned in front of you, but you will have to click on the first website, that is Business Insider, in front of you. As you can read 25% off, 75% off, 30% off, and many different kind of coupon or promo codes are available on this website. Now, the second website is couponfollow.com. In this website also, you will see there is a lot of coupon mentioned like 15% off, 20% off, and other promo codes also. Click on the show QR code option to get a promo code, and then you will get it. Third website is wired.com. The same like all other websites, this website also provides you the best and available promo codes for you. In the homepage, you will be able to see different type of coupons. Simply click on it and enjoy the deal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.